Yo, ever feel like your wallet's on a diet? Like it's always empty, like no matter how hard you try, it just never seems to get any fatter? We've all been there, my friends. It's a struggle that many of us know all too well. But guess what? There's this cool thing called YouGov, and it's here to help you stack some paper. Imagine turning your opinions into cash just by sharing what you think. No, seriously, it's not a scam. It's a legit way to make some extra money. We're talking about getting paid for sharing your opinion. You get to voice your thoughts and get rewarded for it. It's like magic, but with less smoke and mirrors and way more dollar bills. Imagine the possibilities. We're not talking about getting rich quick schemes here. This is about real, tangible ways to earn. This is about those little things you can do to earn some extra cash on the side. It's perfect for a side hustle. Think of it like this. You're already scrolling through your phone all day, right? Why not make that time count? Why not get paid for it? It's a no-brainer. YouGov is your chance to turn those mindless scrolls into cold, hard cash. So why wait? Start earning today. Okay, so what is YouGov, you ask? It's basically a website and app where you get to share your thoughts and opinions on all sorts of stuff like movies, music, politics, you name it. They use your answers for market research, and the best part is, they pay you for your time. It's a win-win, my friends. Think of it like this. You're a VIP, and companies want to know what you think. They're dying to hear your opinions, and YouGov is the middleman, hooking you up with surveys and paying you for your valuable insights. It's like being a celebrity, but instead of paparazzi, you get paid to answer questions. Not a bad gig, right? Alright, so how do you get in on this action? Easy peasy, my friend. It's a straightforward process that anyone can follow. Just head over to the YouGov website or download the app from your app store. It's available for both iOS and Android, so no worries about compatibility. It's free to join, so you don't have to worry about any hidden fees or shady business. YouGov is a reputable company, and they make it easy for you to get started without any upfront costs. Once you're in, just fill out your profile with some basic info about yourself. This includes things like your age, gender, and interests. Don't worry, they're not asking for your social security number or anything crazy like that. Your privacy is important and YouGov respects that. They just want to get to know you a little better so they can send you surveys that are relevant to your interests. The more accurate your profile, the better the surveys you'll receive. The more detailed your profile, the more surveys you'll get, and the more money you can make. It's a win-win situation. It's like setting up your dating profile, but instead of finding love, you're finding dollar bills. And who doesn't love a little extra cash? And trust me, finding dollar bills is way less complicated than finding love. Plus, it's a fun and easy way to make some extra money in your spare time. Section 4, YouGov hacks level up your earnings game. Now let's talk strategy. If you want to make the most out of your time on YouGov, you need to be smart about it. If you really want to maximize your earnings with YouGov, there are a few things you can do. First off, be consistent. Consistency is key in any endeavor, and this is no different. Check your email and the app regularly for new surveys. Make it a habit to look for new opportunities every day. The more surveys you complete, the more money you'll make. It's a simple equation. More surveys equal more earnings. It's like going to the gym. The more often you go, the better results you'll see. Just like building muscle, building your earnings takes regular effort. Second, be honest in your answers. Authenticity matters. YouGov has ways of detecting if you're just trying to speed through surveys, so don't try to outsmart the system. They value genuine feedback. Just be yourself and share your genuine opinions. Your honest input is what makes the data valuable. And hey, who knows? You might even learn something new along the way. Each survey can be a mini lesson in itself. It's kind of like school, but instead of getting homework, you get paid. So stay consistent, be honest, and watch your earnings grow. Section 5, show me the money, cashing out your rewards. Okay, so you've been diligently taking surveys and racking up those YouGov points. Now what? Time to cash out, baby. YouGov lets you redeem your points for all sorts of cool stuff like gift cards to your favorite stores, PayPal cash, and even charitable donations. It's like a choose-your-own-adventure, but instead of fighting dragons, you're choosing how to spend your hard-earned rewards. The minimum payout amount is usually pretty reasonable, so you won't have to wait forever to enjoy the fruits of your labor. It's like that feeling when you finally save up enough money to buy that thing you've been eyeing for months. Pure satisfaction, my friends. Section 6, YouGov your ticket to Easy Street. Well, almost. So there you have it, folks. YouGov, the fun, easy, and surprisingly rewarding way to make some extra cash in your spare time. It's not going to make you a millionaire overnight, but hey, every little bit helps, right? And who knows, maybe you'll even have some fun sharing your opinions along the way. Just imagine you lounging on a beach, sipping on a margarita, all thanks to the power of YouGov. Okay, maybe that's a bit of a stretch, but you get the idea. So what are you waiting for? Sign up for YouGov today and start earning those rewards. Your wallet and your future self will thank you for it.